How to loud mic on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to loud mic on Discord. So let's begin. There are actually two ways that I would suggest in louding your mic on Discord. So do take note that in this tutorial we will not be using any other apps, only the settings of your PC or your laptop, and then the Discord app. So, first, the first thing that I am going to teach you is with the use of the Discord app alone. So, make sure to open your Discord app and then wait for it to load, as this will update your Discord app. And then once you have opened your Discord app, simply click on User Settings right here and then go to App Settings and look for Voice and Video. So click on Voice and Video and make sure to um, change the input volume into the highest level. So as you can see now, it reacts with my voice. And if we compare it, for example, if you click on Let's Check, as you can see, the only thing or the only color that will show is the orange one. But if you turn it on, as you can see, it will turn into green as well. And then again, make it to 100% and then go back and try it out. For the second method is to go to your settings and then go to sounds and scroll down until you can see input. So once you're in input, make sure as well to turn this one to the highest level. So turn the volume to the highest level and then check out Discord once again. So that's it. That's how you can or make your mic loud on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.